How was the voice for the giant sandworm in Dune created? The answer isn't as glamorous as you may think. Here's sound designer Mark Mangini.
So I took a little lavalier mic, maybe like the one I have on, and I dropped the lavalier mic down my mouth, and I did this. I went.
As a sound designer, Mark has worked on over 150 movies, including Indiana Jones, Anchorman, Blade Runner 2049, Dune, and 90s sci-fi classic, The Fifth Element.
Unbelievable!
Here's how the sound of the ZF-1 gun was made for The Fifth Element.
So we added a traditional kitchen blender to give it this high-frequency whine that made it more powerful.
My favorite.